Hello everybody, in this video I'll discuss a real life example of an employment law violation in Alberta involving Kathleen Bernier and her dismissal from Alberta Honda. So the case is based on a dress code violation and potential gender discrimination. So let's dive into that. At first we'll discuss what did the employer do wrong. In this case, Bernier was dismissed for a dress code violation, where Bernier claiming that her dress was appropriate as a receptionist. Moreover, she was wearing the same dress in the time of interview during the hiring process. Bernier also claims that her female colleagues suddenly told that everything was visible through the dress and putting male colleagues in an uncomfortable situation. Bernier was then dismissed. The dismissal may reflect discriminatory enforcement of a dress code which unfairly targeted female employee like Bernier. So instead of dismissing her, the employer should have contacted with her regarding any concern about the dress code clearly and fairly. Okay, so let's jump into the next question. What law did the employer violate? Okay, the employer violated the Alberta Human Rights Act, which prohibited discrimination based on prohibited grounds such as gender. Dress codes that disproportionately target female employee could fall under gender discrimination. This case is a violation of Bernier's right under this law. The third question is, what should the employer have done to comply with the law? Okay, Alberta Honda should have engaged with a conversation with Bernier regarding their expectation of dress code. If there was a violation, they should have given a written warning or verbal warning rather than terminating her immediately. They should have taken action against Bernier based on proper evidence. Also, they should have very careful about whether there was any potential discrimination happening or not. Okay, let's move the next and final question. What legal remedies are available to the employee? Okay, there are several legal remedies available for Bernier, such as she can file a complaint against Alberta Honda for gender discrimination at Alberta Human Rights Commission. She can also file a complaint in court for wrongful dismissal if the termination was without any proper cause. So she could get a severance pay for that if success. Okay, they can also go for any form of alternative dispute resolution or ADR on the agreement of both the employee and the employer, if they want to avoid costly and lengthy court process and reaching a deal with very quickly. Okay, thank you.